Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Yes, today I'm not coming back with an interesting video. It may not be interesting for many of you, but it's just a notice for all of you, because those who are interested and those who are into fitness, I just want to tell you that I will be uploading fitness videos in my second channel, because what I think is that not all my subscribers, all of you here are interested in fitness videos, and it wouldn't be fair for you all if I keep on uploading fitness videos and if you are not interested. So please do go to my next channel, that is link in the description, and subscribe to it, and we will have all the fitness videos out there. We will have all the challenges, we will have all the fitness tips out there. So please, if you're into fitness, please don't forget, just please go to the description below, subscribe to the new channel, and comment done, or just let me know that you have already subscribed, and we shall start our new fitness videos out there, new fitness challenges. So that's all everybody. Please do keep healthy, be strong, keep on doing exercises, because only when we are healthy, when our body is healthy, our mind can also be healthy. So once again, please don't forget to check the description below, and please subscribe to the second channel. It will be a great support and love from you. So once again, thank you and thank you.